Alright then, so at the minute our React app is looking a bit like this, very simple, and it's just one component at the minute, the root component. So now what I'd like to do is introduce another component which is going to be responsible for listing our books on the page. So let's head back to the code and create this component. First of all, I'm going to right click source and create a new folder called components, which is where all of our component files will live. And then inside there, let's create a new file, and I'm going to call this book list. So capital B, capital L, .js. All right. So we have now this book list component file. And what I'm going to do is just grab all of this here, and I'm going to paste it inside here because the general structure, the boilerplate of a component is going to be more or less the same, right? So what we're going to do now is change this thing here to book list. All right, and then we'll change this export down here to book list. And now we have this component, right? So this component is going to be a div, first of all, and then underneath, or rather within that div, we're going to have a UL, and the ID of this UL is going to be book-list. All right, so inside this UL, we're just going to, for now, output one li tag, right? Eventually, what we'll do is dynamically output several li tags here, depending on how much data we have. But for now, since we're not actually querying any data and we don't have any data to output, we're just going to do one little li tag. So book name or something like that, right? So close that li tag and save it. So now we've created this book list component, very simple. And what we want to do is render it on the page. So to do that, we're going to nest it inside the app.js file right here, right? We want to nest it down here somewhere. So the first thing we need to do is import that book list component. So down here, I'm going to create a little comment saying components, like so. And these are going to be the components that we import and nest into this root component. So to do that, I'll say import book list from, and it's going to be the current directory / into the components folder / book list, like so. Okay, so we've imported that component now, so therefore we can render it anywhere inside this component. So I'm going to do it underneath the h1, and the way that we do this, the way we nest another component, is by opening our tag and then putting out the name of the component which we just imported, then self-closing tag. So this was the name, book list, and we've just added it into a tag right there. So React is going to look at this, say, okay, well, I want to render now the book list component under the h1. So it's going to grab that component and it's going to render all of this underneath that h1. All right. So let's just make sure this has worked. I'm going to save everything and then head over to the front end. And we can see now we have book name right here. All right, so now we've created our root component and we've also created our book list component. So I think in the next lesson, we can start to set up Apollo on the front end, the Apollo client, so that we can start interacting with our GraphQL server, making queries, receiving data, so we can finally start outputting data on the front end.